Web 2.0 timelines can make the creation of and interaction with timelines an authentic learning experience with real-world connections. Teachers love timelines, and they are already used extensively to help organize secondary education. Timelines communicate learning structures like the syllabus and subject programs to students in an informative, linear format. Within the individual subject areas, timelines have long been used to help students understand key terms and concepts within their relevant contexts. Web 2.0 timelines can add the dimension of bringing the online experience, as well as video and image content into this learning. In English, timelines are an important resource for helping students to understand topics, themes, ideas, and authors in context. Page 16 of the current New South Wales English syllabus emphasizes the importance of ICT use in English education. Because most of the texts studied in English are now either multimodal or contain subject matter where ICT is central, the need for English students to be critical and creative users of ICT is now embedded in the English syllabus. The creation of Web 2.0 timelines facilitates this. In history, timelines are used to place historical facts, figures, sources, and their authors within their contexts. It is important that history students understand how the events and people in history influence each other, and Web 2.0 timelines give students not only the opportunity to interpret and order sources chronologically, but also to create a resource that demonstrates their understanding of context and perspective. An activity where the creation of a Web 2.0 timeline is involved encourages development in all 5 key historical skills listed on page 9 of the current New South Wales history syllabus. To demonstrate the usefulness of Web 2.0 timelines to the secondary classroom, I will be discussing how the Web 2.0 tools for creating timelines can offer both meaningful learning experiences and real-world connections. I'll start with TimeToast. TimeToast is purely a timeline creation tool and online community. The interface is simple and the process for creating a timeline is easy to learn. It is a great resource for both English and history in that it is quick and easy, but engaging to use, and in that it offers an extensive bank of existing timelines. Pros include how each timeline can have associated image, how that time span can split the timeline up into subsections, and individual events can also have an associated image and contain detailed descriptions. Cons include no way to verify the content of the existing timelines for accuracy, but this can be used to demonstrate the need for critical appraisal skills. There is also a lot of advertising and restrictions with a basic account. This presentation was created using Prezi. Although Prezi can facilitate any kind of presentation, it is a highly useful tool for creating timelines. From the Prezi homepage, you can explore or search existing Prezis. By searching timeline as a keyword, you can see where users have created timeline templates for others to customize using the Save a Copy feature that replicates the selected Prezi to your account for editing. Of this one timeline template that I found, there are already at least 341 individualized copies. This timeline template of human civilization encourages students to add content for their own purpose and provide some basic information and samples on a few key dates as prompts. When Prezi Edit, you can embed online content as well as upload video, text, PowerPoint, and image files. The finished product can then be shared online with other users, or downloaded in a portable format. It is easy to incorporate quality teaching into a lesson where the creation of a Web 2.0 timeline is central to the lesson. The 2 tools discussed today are only samples of the many possible tools for creating online timelines. Significance or authenticity is achieved in this task through the existence of a public forum for the students' work. The intellectual quality is evident in how the creation of timeline causes students to demonstrate how well they understand the course concept in context by reinventing it, meaning they are engaging with deep understanding and knowledge. A quality learning environment is facilitated through the effective use of Web 2.0 tools for creating timelines. For example, in project-based learning applications, student direction could be achieved by having students select their own Web 2.0 tool for creating their timeline, encouraging the development of learning autonomy. My goal today was to examine how timelines can become meaningful learning experiences through the use of Web 2.0 tools. Web 2.0 tools give students the environment in which to connect their learning to the real world, and in creating Web 2.0 timelines, students are creating the highest level of Bloom's taxonomy. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you for listening.